Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is the channel where I bring to you many hacks in your home. Several hacks, DIY, that is, do it yourself, that you can perform in your house to make life simple and easy. Today, I brought you another beautiful hack that can help you cut down the electricity bill in your house, in your office, wherever you use electricity. Just watch the video to the end so that you can gain important points that you are going to apply in your house or office. If you are new on this channel and you are yet to subscribe, go ahead and do so, and like the video and share. Click the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I bring up new interesting videos like this. If you are already a subscriber, I thank you for coming back to the channel to see my videos. Alright, let us go now to learn about this hack that will help you to reduce electricity bill in your house. So, as I said, this hack is all about electricity, how we can cut down electricity in our home. You see several devices using electricity. Can you see? You see the lamp, the ceiling fan, the video, the decoder, the lamps. We can see fan working here. Yes. Behind the fan we have the inverter that is actually working, and this is my power bill. Yes. So this hack is actually about renewable energy. How you can use renewable energy to bring down your electricity bill. How does it work? So the idea is to use renewable energy solar system to bring down your electricity bill in your home by installing a standalone solar renewable energy system in your home. You can bring down your electricity bill. Yes. For instance, in this house, we use solar system. If you look at this, we have the charge controller for the solar system that has a USB for charging our mobile devices. Look at here now. We have a small radio, which is actually a rechargeable radio. It's being charged from the solar system directly. We have the solar controller also that brings power from the solar panel to the batteries. We have the batteries installed here. We have the fan working here. It's a DC fan that works directly from the battery. It's connected directly to the battery, 12-volt battery. The fan is also 12-volt DC fan. We have the inverter here that supplies AC power from the battery to other devices and appliances in the house. We have the inverter working right here. You can see the power from the inverter. You can see it here. This is 220 volts coming from the inverter. And then we have changeovers. Here we have a changeover switch here that can change power over from a inverter supply to the mains up here. This terminal is for mains, while this is for the inverter. We have the water pumping machine controller here. Also, it's connected directly to the mains. It's not working on the inverter. We have the small changeover here that we can use with this power module, 12 volts, 20 ampere power module, to connect power to all lamps, electric lamps. You can take power away from the DC to the mains. The upper part here is the mains. So if you change over here, the power goes off. Then you connect to the upper part. Then you connect power from the mains to the lamps through this module, through this power module. So the hack is all about using solar renewable energy system to bring down your electricity bill. By that, all the lamps in the house can work as DC, and you will not incur any electric bill on your lamps, all your lamps. In this house, all the lamps are working as DC, so we do not incur any costs. So the idea is to have power supply from the solar system using batteries. We have power supply to all devices. Several devices are being used as DC. You can also see we charge batteries from the solar panel, and we charge mobile devices using USB terminal from the charge controller. So we have the batteries here. The panels are mounted on the roof, which we are going to show very soon. These are the charge controllers with USB terminals that we use to charge mobile devices. So this is a USB terminal. You charge the mobile devices by connecting to the USB terminal. You can charge your phone, your small radio. If you are one that has interest in listening to radio, we have rechargeable radios here that can charge through USB. All right. Likewise, the mobile phones, they are charged through the USB terminal of the charge controller here. All right, and the cable here goes up. The cable goes up there to the ceiling, coming from the solar panel from the roof. All right, as you can see, the fan is continuously working, but it's not incurring any bill. It's not drawing any current from the mains, but it's directly connected to the battery and it's working fine. The solar system here has been working in this house for over 4 years. You can see the fan working fine. We have the inverter down there. You can see the inverter. The big blue box there is the inverter that is supplying AC power to TV and other devices. Only thing that you do not do is to connect high power consuming devices to your inverter, such as electric iron, the pumping machine, or probably your fridge, your freezer, your AC. They will not be connected to your inverter system because it's a small inverter system. But other devices such as the fan, mobile phones, your small radio, sometimes your laptop, you can connect your laptop through a small module to the 12-volt battery and charge the laptop directly also, or use inverter system to charge your laptop. So this is it. Your television is connected, your satellite decoder, your DVD player, radio, all of them, including the ceiling fans, are connected to the inverter system. So like I said, we have the solar panel here on the roof. You can see the solar panel on the roof that is extracting power from the sun and use the same power to charge the batteries inside. And that is how to use the solar renewable energy system in your house to bring down your electricity bill.